Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. Sorry that my hands are pink. It's because we cut open this from this really good squishy, but there's slime inside, and plus I already have that, but I never had this slime before, so yeah, and guys, hear this. We are not doing a slime video. I have a guest. Hi. Yeah, I'm taller than her. Hi. That's to be on her tippy toes to be as sponsor the guys. Look at this. Alright, we need some light in because we just look dark. I don't know where I should hold this. Okay, that's good. It's so dark. Oh.
Mr. Knight, guess what? So we have fish in our classroom, and we named the pink one. We named the pink one Patrick.
Yeah.
And then we named the black one. We named
Alright.
the purple.
Hey guys, so
SpongeBob
I'm gonna be
Really?
closing my eyes with my friend, picking out something in the fridge, and
Gary,
there is a
Justice.
complete twist.
this is you and Jess trying to plan dinner.
She's gonna hide these in our records to try to find these, but if we don't, we have to go for a serious consequence.
Yeah, a serious. But we don't have a spinning wheel like they do in most consequences. We have to choose our own consequence.
I have to, like, if you didn't give it, then I have to. Okay,
So
you can hide these wherever you want. You can hide one of these. Which one are you hiding? So I know what it feels like.
I'll hide these.
Okay, don't hide it right now. I'm gonna close my eyes. Well, no, I'm just gonna talk with them.
Make sure you don't look.
Okay. Oh gosh, I can't see her. Let's just do this. Hey guys, welcome back to the Like It. Oh, I look so weird. Let's just move you guys over here. Move you guys over here. Oh, make sure you like and subscribe. I want the light on my face.
Also,
Oh no. Also, what?
I was going to say, hit that like and subscribe thing in the face. Boom. Okay.
Girls, you ready for soccer practice?
Hold on.
Hey, Justice. Yeah. Wednesday
I don't know.
is their last soccer practice for the season,
Okay.
and it's
This is
parents
hard.
versus the kids at 6:30 until 7. You should come. You should come play.
Yeah, what?
Good. Now open.
This?
Oh my gosh, don't be dramatic.
Wait, I actually did not look, guys. I actually found it.
Yes, she actually.
I actually
saw.
didn't look.
I saw her.
Wait, were you like doing this when you were hiding it? To make sure it wasn't looking?
I just push
I
her.
was doing that. Pathetic. I know. Pathetic.
Okay, I'll save this for
We
later.
shoot soccer in like 10 minutes.
Yeah. So we gotta get ready for soccer practice.
No,
And
not
make sure
yet.
you like and
Not
subscribe
yet,
and
it's
hit
your
that,
turn. Just one time.
like and subscribe
I'm
in
gonna
the
hide
face.
these nerds so you can like hold
Okay.
it. No, these under that.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I had the best
Okay.
I've ever had.
Guys, I am actually super scared because I don't know if
It's
it
from
looks fine.
Walmart. Honey jalapeno.
You're done? Okay.
I am super excited. Alright.
Wait, can you at least just tell me the shelf that it's on?
Move your hand down. It's on that shelf.
This shelf?
Guys, she's so close. I got it! You want to have it right now or later? Well, you're not going to be here later.
Yeah, I'll have it right now.
Yay! Oh! Oh no. Oopsies. And mine, it's so pretty. Don't touch it. And mine, I'm just gonna pick this airhead. You guys are an airhead if you don't like it, subscribe. Sorry.
I'll have mine.
But do you want to be an airhead? Do you? Thanks, guys. Thank you for watching. It was a short one because we gotta go. Bye.